Take a few moments to make yourself comfortable. Close your eyes if you haven't done so already, and bring your awareness to your breathing, paying attention to the rise and fall of the chest or stomach, to the sensations of the air passing through the airways, the nose, the mouth, the throat. In a few moments, we're going to begin 4 square breathing, also called box breathing. And in this type of practice, the breathing is timed. So we'll be inhaling for 4, holding for 4 at the top of the breath, exhaling for 4, and holding for 4 at the bottom of the exhale. Sometimes this type of breathing can cause a kind of fuzzy or tingling sensation around the nose and mouth. This is simply due to an increase in blood flow to the area, and this will pass within a few moments of returning to normal breathing. So take a breath, gently exhale as we prepare to start our 4 square breathing, and inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, and pause for 3, 2, 1, and exhale for 3, 2, 1, pausing at the bottom for 3, 2, 1, inhaling for 3, 2, 1, and pause for 3, 2, 1, exhaling down for 3, 2, 1, and pause, 3, 2, 1, inhaling up for 3, 2, 1, pause for 3, 2, 1, exhaling for 3, 2, 1, and pause for 3, 2, 1, inhaling for 3, 2, 1, pausing at the top for 3, 2, 1, exhale down for 3, 2, 1, pausing at the bottom for 3, 2, 1, inhale up, 3, 2, 1, and pause. Exhale down for 3, 2, 1. Inhaling. Pause. Exhaling. And return to normal breathing. How does it feel? What sensations are you aware of? There are no right or wrong answers. This is simply becoming inquisitive about the sensations of breathing. few moments, we're going to start another round of Foursquare. So take a breath in, gently exhale as we resume Foursquare, inhaling up for 3, 2, 1, and pause for 3, 2, 1. Exhaling down for 3, 2, 1, and pause. 3, 2, 1. Inhaling up. 3, 2, 1. Pause. 3, 2, 1. Exhale down. 3, 2, 1. And pause for 3, 2, 1. Inhaling up. 3, 2, 1. Pausing at the top for 3, 2, 1. Exhaling down for 3, 2, 1. Pausing at the bottom for 3, 2, 1. Inhaling up for 3, 2, 1. Pausing at the top for 3, 2, 1. And relax. Again, return the focus to the sensations of breathing. And when you're ready, wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers, and prepare to come back into the world. Opening your eyes. Calm, relaxed.